Hello everyone, welcome to Apocalypsis. If you're watching this video, that means, well, first off, you're alive, which is good, and that also means that most likely you're one of my students. I'd like to record this video just to reiterate what I sent you in the email, so that's why if everything made sense in the email, just don't watch this, okay? I'm gonna get my laptop, and we'll quickly go over there. So, okay, so, first off, what do we have here? Okay, so we know that it's a difficult time for everybody. Hold on, just 1 second. Okay, okay. So first off, we know it's a difficult time for everyone, especially if you guys, not sure, but maybe some of you lost their jobs, and obviously that's a dramatic experience. And that's why for our goal, the goal of our department is to make the rest of the semester as easy as possible. We obviously want to prepare for that, and when nobody knew that it will be that way, but so let's just kind of work together and work it out this semester. Okay, we'll go online for the rest of the semester. All lectures, quizzes, and midterm number 2, and the final exam will be online. So okay, I hope that's clear. The spring break is extended. Okay, so we'll start Thursday, March 26th. All quizzes, midterm number 2, and the final exam will be open book, open note. Yeah. So I thought that since there is no way, since we have to go online, since there is no way for me to control what you guys doing, I thought maybe it'll be easy actually to allow you to use anything apart from your classmates, of course. But anything else, you're welcome to use. Completely up to you. Okay. Yeah. So you can use the book, notes, internet, whatever you want. Okay, there'll be no quiz and no midterm. Okay, there'll be no quiz or no midterm this Thursday, March 26th. Okay, no homework due March 23rd. Okay, I think that's all should be clear. Okay, so the way the class will be structured is this: the lectures will be available on the Blackboard after each class as usual. Okay, so I'm talking about the slides. The slides will be available as usual. Okay, so this semester, by the way, I'm teaching 4 classes, right? So this message is directed to all my students. I'm teaching 190 to 27, computer science 318, and computer science 401. Okay. So if you take in 190 to 27 with me, then there will be PDF available after each class, as usual. If you take in 318 and 401, I'll be taking notes on my computer, and I'll be uploading those notes as well. Yeah. Okay. I'll record my explanations over the slides, kind of similar to the way I'm doing it now. And they'll be uploaded to YouTube, and they'll premiere at the time you would normally have a class. For example, this message is for my 227 students, okay? And in this case, it will premiere 8:30 a.m. Okay, so why Tube? Why not? The question we have: why don't we use Zoom or Skype or any other platform where you can actually have online class? I'm taking personally a lot of online classes every now and then, and I see that how it doesn't work. I see that all the time. There is a person who wants to ask a question, and unfortunately he cannot because there is an internet connection, and we're wasting everybody's time. We will not be able to hear his voice. Something happened to the internet, something broke up, so I don't really believe in that. Plus, another reason for using YouTube is this. Another reason to record and publish everything on YouTube. If, for example, you're taking 190 class, okay, and my 190, and you're thinking that, okay, I really love computer science, I would really love to learn more. In this particular situation, you can actually watch my other classes. You can watch 227, that can be fun. 318, by the way, if you are a 227 student or a 190 student, you can actually watch 318 classes. Because 318 lectures are a lot of fun, in my opinion. What we learn there is it's huge amount of fun. For one, not that much. Most likely no. It's a lot of boring information. But I have to teach that. Okay, so. Probably not 401, but definitely 318 is a lot of fun. If you're a 190 student, you can actually watch 227. If you're a 227, watch 318 lectures. If you're computer science 401, then I don't know. Yeah, also, if you guys don't like, for example, me as a professor, which is totally fine, I accept that. But if you don't like coming to lectures, you actually allowed not to watch them at all. completely. Like there is no way for me to track your attendance, and I don't want to. So that's why if you don't want to watch the lectures, you don't have to do it at all. The only problem though is that you don't really know what you'll be tested on. That's the only issue. But you can probably pick it up from the slides. I don't know. Completely up to you. Anyway, yeah. So I think honestly that online education can be actually more efficient. So maybe again the coronavirus thing is not that bad for my classes at least. Okay. Yeah. So I do not believe in Zoom, Skype, all of those things. I'll have time codes. Okay. Increase the speed of video. You can actually do that. Send you the links to each YouTube videos. Yeah, okay, so there'll be a separate YouTube channel, this one, the one you're watching on. I will publish all the lectures here, okay? So that's why you can just, if you check this YouTube channel every now and then, you'll be able to see the lectures for the other classes, and you can actually watch them if you want to. The quizzes will become available every Thursday, okay, at your time, at the time you usually take the class. And will be available until like 1 hour later, okay? Yeah, so you don't have to watch lectures at all. You don't have to like watch those videos if you don't want to, but you definitely need to take quizzes, okay? So that's kind of, quizzes, homeworks is very important. You definitely need to practice, okay? And yeah, so watch lectures at any time you want, or don't watch them at all, but definitely take quizzes at a specified time. So in the email, those are the time. Basically, the time your class starts plus 1 hour. So you're gonna have like 1 hour of time frame. Okay. Homeworks will be due every Monday, 6:30 p.m. as usual. They will be easier than usual because you will not have tutoring. However, that's actually not true. I was talking to Professor Rao, and most likely we will have tutoring for you guys. They will also be online. Okay. It's not as easy, not as efficient, I guess it's not going to be as efficient, as easy as it was offline, but that's something, okay? Okay, so when it comes to online office hours, I'll have a calendar. I'll give you a link to that. Please book an appointment with me, and then we will connect maybe over the Zoom or over the phone or somewhere else. The idea, yeah, so I think if you have a question about the code, then we'll need to share the screen. That's very important. Okay, what else? Okay, yeah, so there'll be no midterm this Thursday, okay? Is there anything else I wanted to mention? One more thing, I also want to upload a series of videos about the career and about the job search. I always felt there was an important aspect of college education, which is not given as much as it's needed, in my opinion. And I was embedding pieces of that information into my classes, especially for one class. I spent a lot of time talking about that. But since now we're going online, I think I will actually create a completely separate series of videos about the career, about the job search, about all my tips and tricks, how to get a job, how to look for a job, how to do all that stuff. Now I think now is the perfect time. Now is the perfect time. Okay, it will also be available in this channel. I will not be advertising that or like sending you. I don't want to spam you, especially during these difficult times. But definitely, if you're interested in learning more and about the career, your future career, and about some other classes, some other information, then just definitely keep an eye on this channel, on this YouTube channel. Okay, that's it for now. Please stay safe. I'll see you guys in the next videos. Bye.